Hey there, drone enthusiasts and tech lovers. Today I am super excited to be bringing you an in-depth review of the incredible 4K HD dual camera with GPS 5G Wi-Fi wide-angle FPV real-time transmission RC distance 2 km professional drone. This drone is an absolute game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. First of all, let me just say that the quality of the footage you can capture with this drone is absolutely mind-blowing. The 4K HD dual camera with GPS allows for stunningly clear and crisp images and videos, while the 5G Wi-Fi wide-angle FPV real-time transmission ensures that you can see exactly what the drone is seeing in real time. This level of clarity and precision is truly unmatched in the world of consumer drones, and it opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators. But it's not just the camera capabilities that make this drone stand out. The range and stability of the RC distance 2 km professional drone are absolutely incredible. With a 2 km range, you can explore and capture footage from distances that were previously only accessible to professional pilots with much larger and more expensive drones. And with the GPS functionality, you can rest assured that your drone will stay stable and secure, even in windy conditions or challenging environments. And let's not forget about the incredible 5G Wi-Fi connection, which allows for seamless, lag-free transmission of your footage to your phone or tablet. This means that you can quickly and easily review and share your footage while you are out in the field, making it easier than ever to create and share stunning content with your audience. So, if you're ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, I cannot recommend the 4K HD dual camera with GPS 5G Wi-Fi wide-angle FPV real-time transmission RC distance 2 km professional drone highly enough. Trust me, this is a purchase you will not regret. So, make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your own drone today and start capturing breathtaking footage from the skies. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your content creation game. I promise, you won't be disappointed. Subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and drone content. Thanks for watching.